Guys, why I keep fleeing out the map? What is happening, bro? I hate computers, man. Now, bro, this is bro, please don't target me. Please. This is part 2, guys. Don't start part 3. Oh, Roblox. That's Roblox. Run, guys, run. Run for my life, guys. Well, this is part 2. Please like and subscribe, guys. This part, this fun for me. Fun. Just a rather, guys. Rather. Thank you. I hope you're gonna survive this. Did you buy this? Damn, bro. Sorry about someone talking me. It's a virus, guys. Mas, don't know that.
Uy, guys, punta tayo ng ano? Oo, sa mall. Hindi tayo ng mall. Di ba meron tayong ano? Project. Kailangan ng school supplies. Oo. Tara. Paalam tayo kay mga kay
Dance with dance.
Mami.
Dance with dance. Guys,
Ano?
basta hindi virus.
Punta lang kami sa mall. Bibili lang kami school supplies. Pero kami ng kotse. Uy, pero pa. Thank you, Mommy. Thank you. Amar tayo. May pera mo ng kotse ah. Sige,
Basta
nagpagasolin ako nun kanina pa lang.
Bro.
Sige. Sige, Mami. Bati na lang kami mamaya. Tara. Ingat.
Let's get out the building. Let's see what happens. Oh, I
Dito na lang ako
thought
sa
there's
likod.
nothing. Why did I die, bro?
Bro,
Stop, no, no.
Ito nga.
Guys,
Kung tayo sa ano?
if you wanna play with me, here's my username.